You know what's funny? Everyone keeps asking me to do like a video on like how to get over a breakup and how to move on. Good morning, guys. I am on my way to go do yoga today. I'm really sore from my intense workouts this week, so I decided to go do yoga, and I haven't done yoga in so long. I remember I was really getting into it, so I'm gonna try. I feel like it's gonna be like starting all over again, but I'm gonna try to get back into it now because I really liked it. It's really relaxing. It really helps your muscles, and if you have any ailments or back problems or neck problems or anything like that, it's really, really helpful, and it was helping me a lot. So I'm gonna go back and have a nice little zen Saturday morning. Yoga was so amazing. Oh my god, my body feels so much better instantly. It was actually difficult. Yoga is actually really difficult. Before I started doing yoga, I thought like this has to be the easiest thing ever. Like, what, you're just stretching? No, boo-boo. It's difficult, but it's so good for your body in so many ways. Yoga even helps boost your metabolism so that it can help you lose weight or just get your metabolism going. It helps you so much mentally, physically. Try yoga, and even if you go to a class and you think like, oh, I can't get into it, keep trying it or try different studios, because I swear to you, in the past few years I have tried different studios and I kept saying like yoga is not for me, and finally I found one that I really like. Go to Groupon and go to Living Social because they have so many good deals. Like, that's how I found this place. Like, I just found a deal for like unlimited classes for a whole month or something like that, and I gave it a try. So yeah, just go on places like that. Anywho, I really gotta get a car wash. Remember when I was in Maryland and I was getting car washes like every few days? Well, I haven't gotten a car wash in months now, so I think I'm gonna try to get a car wash because my car is so gross with all like the snow and everything. Like, anyway, we gotta get a car wash. I'm also gonna get some coffee so we get our Saturday going after yoga. Oh, I'm in such a good mood now. Can you guys tell I'm in such a good mood? We're just gonna keep the Saturday going with good vibes. Good vibes, honey. You know what's funny? Everyone keeps asking me to do like a video on like how to get over a breakup and how to move on. But to be honest, Drake literally just dropped a song that's gonna help you move on, girl. I'm gonna play for you.
Louisiana shit. Everybody get your motherfucking roll on. I don't show you and she doesn't want no slow song. Had a man last year, like it goes on.
I'm home now and I'm about to start getting ready, and I thought that I should film myself getting ready, so I'm actually gonna film a little get ready with me, like super cash. Like, I'm not setting up my whole setup and everything. I'm gonna do it right here at my vanity and try some new products out for you guys. So that's gonna be a separate video, but I will be back when my makeup is done. And we're ready! Today I went to yoga, I got my car washed, I filmed a video, and now I'm ready to go to dinner. I'm so excited. I love when I get so much done in one day, especially on a Saturday. Usually I'm super lazy on Saturdays, but we did the most today. I finished getting ready right on time, so I'm actually gonna try to go take some photos for my thumbnail and some photos for Instagram before my friend gets here, because we do have to head out really soon. We have reservations at this restaurant called Public Kitchen in the city, and I do not want to be late because I don't want to lose my reservations. I just finished working out and now I'm gonna head home. Today's gonna be a super heavy computer day because I have 2 days this week where I have to go to the city, and I feel like I'm gonna be there a really long time. So I'm going to edit 2 videos today, one for today, one for Wednesday. That's probably gonna take like half of my day or longer. And then I also have to work on my blog, my website. I'm trying to make some changes to it. Once I make the changes, I'll let you guys know, because it's gonna make things super convenient for all of us. Hi, can I get a grande iced vanilla latte with soy milk?
Is it a grande iced vanilla latte with soy milk?
Yes.
Anything else today?
No, that's it.
Okay, 5:30 to total. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. You too. All right, one video down, one more to go. I have a vlog uploading right now, and it's a 27-minute vlog, so it's uploading very slowly, but I'm very excited to have such a long vlog because I know you guys like the longer videos. And while that uploads, I'm gonna run and grab some lunch. I'm going to this place called Kava. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but it's called Kava, and it's so yummy. It's so good, and they have the best lemonade, so I'm gonna go get that for lunch. And after I eat, it's back to editing. Hi. It's morning and I'm really tired. Oh, how are you guys? It is the next day, obviously. I didn't keep vlogging last night because literally I was just on my computer all day trying to figure things out, trying to get work done, and that's pretty boring to watch. So I just didn't vlog anymore. And then today I just started my day off. Well, I'm gonna start my day off by getting a little workout in. I'm going to the gym, get some cardio in so we can start our day. And I still have one more video that I have to edit because I have tendinitis, and I was getting a little ahead of myself thinking I could edit 2 videos in one day, and I definitely wasn't able to last night. Like, it was bothering. Sometimes I am able to, rarely, but yeah, last night was one of those nights that I could not, like, I had to get off the computer. My hands hurt so much. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go work out, and then we'll see what we get into for the rest of the day. I feel like it's been such a long day, but it's only 5 o'clock, which is crazy. You know why it feels like a long day? Because now that it's getting dark, now that it's light outside a lot longer, it just feels like the day is much longer, which I personally love because I feel like I can get more done. Because for some reason, when it gets dark outside in the winter, I'm like, well, there goes my day. It's already the end of the day. It's over. But now that it stays the light out longer, I feel like I can get so much more done. Hold on one sec. Max just jumped on my bed, and I'm trying to teach him to sleep and stay on his bed instead. So every time he jumps my bed, I correct him and I take him to his bed, because I was like reading something on how to try to get him to do that. So excuse me, Maxie baby. So I just got on Twitter and I was like, quick, send me some questions for a quick Q&A, because I just wanted to like maybe throw in a little Q&A in this vlog. And I got 2 questions that really stood out to me, so I'm going to answer them right now. All right, so the first question is from Paola, and she says, o Paola. I feel like it's Paola, so I'm gonna say it in Spanish. So Paola says, kind of personal, but just because I can relate, do you feel your work has helped you get through some of the personal things you have been going through? Or do you feel like your work took a hit because of it? And as some of you may or may not know, I've been through a lot of changes in the past few months. And it was definitely very, very difficult continuing to work here on my channel and trying to deal with everything that was going on in my personal life, especially while I was like really in it, like while everything was happening and I hadn't shared with you guys yet. It was really difficult, and I felt like my channel did take a little bit of a hit because it was kind of hard to focus on dealing with my personal issues and vlogging at the same time. Sit-down videos were easier, but when I was trying to vlog, because I'm vlogging about my life, that was difficult, and I was keeping it very, very surface with you guys, just because when I'm going through something, I really don't mind sharing it with you guys. I feel like it helps me when I say things out loud and when I talk it out, and you know, that's at the end of the day, that's what I signed up for. I did sign up to vlog my life. That's what I decided to do. That's what I enjoy to do. But I can't vlog everything because a lot of things involve other people, and just because someone is a part of my life doesn't mean that they're obligated to vlog with me, you know, like they don't have to share everything that they're going through, because not everyone is comfortable in front of the camera. Not everyone wants to put all their business on camera. And to be honest, like the older that I get, it does get a little bit more difficult to share certain things online, because people like to just like bash you, and they have such strong opinions that they think that you should do what they say. And you guys have to keep an open mind that just because I decide to share something, I'm going off on a tangent, but just because I decide to share my life and my views and things that I might be going through, or things that I have an opinion on, doesn't mean that I'm wrong, and it doesn't mean that you're wrong either. But you have to let me live my life. Everyone cannot do things your way, and that's something that I practice in my own life. Like, I have friends that do things completely different than me, and just because I don't agree with them, or just because I don't understand, doesn't mean that they're wrong. It's just we have different views and we have different way of doing things. So just keep that in mind when you're watching someone's vlog, because let me tell you something, it's really difficult to put your life on social media and to put your life on YouTube. So instead of bashing people, like, give them a little props, because it's difficult. Anyways, it is also fun, so I can't take that away. But back to the question, I felt like in the beginning my channel did take a hit, my work did take a hit while I was dealing with personal issues, just because it was really, really difficult for me, and I felt like I needed a little bit of a break, so I wasn't vlogging as much. And then I think I took like a week or a week and a half, or even maybe 2 weeks of a break. I don't think it was 2 weeks, but I think it was like a week and a half break from my channel, because I just needed to kind of like reset and figure my life out before, instead of worrying about like creating content for you guys and editing and doing all of that. So at first I will say that it took a hit, and then once I moved back to New Jersey, I just threw myself into my work, and that's really what I've been focusing on. And it helps me a lot, because I'm the kind of person that I like to be busy, because when I have too much, in the beginning I found myself having too much time to think, and it was driving me crazy. So I liked just being busy and working and vlogging and editing and going to events and just like staying focused, and then going to sleep and going to work out, and that's it. And it helps me. I like that a lot. Even in the past, when I've had like certain situations happen where maybe it's difficult for me, I do throw myself into my work, and that helps me. But I think this was like one of the first times where like it was difficult for me, and I was even like, oh my god, I don't even want to like be on YouTube right now. Like, I need a major break. So yeah, I hope that answers the question. Because I'm human, you guys, like, and I'm a very emotional person. Like, I feel everything so intensely. So sometimes when I'm going through something, like I'm going through something, but every day is different. But I feel I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I don't know. I feel happy, you guys. Like, I feel good. I feel optimistic about the future. And that's all I'm going to share right now. Yeah. All right. Next question is from Elizabeth. And Elizabeth asked, do you think it's too late for someone to start a YouTube channel when there are so many creators already? What words of encouragement would you give? Okay, I love that question, Elizabeth, because I feel like that's something that gets brought up all the time, even for current creators. I do not think it's too late whatsoever to start a channel. If you want to be a YouTube creator, do it. It doesn't matter how old you are. It doesn't matter what experience you have. It doesn't matter what you want your channel to be about. And if a million other people are already doing that, just do it, because everyone is different and you're going to put your own twist on it. Like, I do vlogs and I do beauty videos, and I feel like I do things pretty different than other people. And not because I'm trying to be different, but I'm just doing what feels natural for me. So, I mean, just when you're actually creating, you figure out what works for you. And I say this to everyone because so many people are like, but what should I do? What should I vlog about? Or what should my channel be about? And I can't answer that question, because you're only going to figure that out as you're working on your channel. When I started my channel, I had no idea that I would be vlogging. I had no idea like how my style of vlogging or my style of beauty videos would be. I didn't know any of that. I kind of figured it out as I went, and I followed my gut, and I and I do what feels comfortable for me. So yeah, just go for it. And no, it's not too late. Why would it be too late? That's like saying, well, I'm not gonna try to be an actor because there's so many actors out there. I'm not gonna try to be a singer because there's so many singers. I'm not gonna try to be a doctor because there's already so many doctors. Like, the world is never gonna have too many of anything. You get me? Like, you never know what you're gonna bring to the table, so just go for it. If you're doing it because you want to be famous or you want to get rich or whatever, like, then honey, this might not be for you, because this is a hard life. It's a hard life, okay? Like, being in the entertainment, like, I consider this kind of like entertainment, so it's difficult trying to get into any kind of entertainment field. But as long as you're passionate about it and as long as you enjoy it and you're excited, then go ahead and do it. You don't need anyone's permission. Like, you gotta give yourself permission to do what you want. So I kind of like answering questions like this. It makes it a little easier to want to know what you guys want to learn about me or what you want me to share more of. So if you guys think of any other questions, maybe I'll pick a few more out, and if there's a lot of them, I'll do a whole like video Q&A, and if there's just a few, maybe I'll insert them in the next vlog that I film. So let me know if you guys have any questions that you want me to go over or answer, or just anything that you guys want to see. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.